Hi guys, welcome to this channel. So in this SQL tutorial series, we are going to see another couple of aggregate functions. So now we will see min, max, count aggregate functions. So what is the aggregate function? It's used to calculate the values based on the given values. So and also it will return single value. So what is min? So it's used to find out the smallest value from the given values. So for example, if you want to find out the minimum salary in the from the base salary column, so you can use min function to calculate that. So it will ignore the null values. So first let's see what is the syntax. You need to type select, then you need to specify the min aggregate function. So open the bracket and close the bracket. So inside that you need to specify the column, which column you want to find out the minimum salary. So I want to find out the minimum salary from the base salary column. So 55,000 is the minimum salary. So now the requirement is you need to find out the maximum value. Basically you need to find out the largest value in the base salary column. So and also it will ignore the null values. So what is the syntax? Select, and then you need to specify the max, max, and the column name is base salary and from salaries table. So 1 lakh is the maximum salary in this table. So now that you need to find out the how many records there in the entire table. So you need to find out the how many records in this, right? You can use count aggregate function. So basically count, and you open the bracket and close bracket, specify star. So it will include duplicates and null values as well. So you have a 10 records in this salaries table. So now the requirement is you need to find out in the specific column how many values are available. So it won't be considered as it won't consider null values. So you without null values, how many records are there if you want to find out in from the base salary, then you need to find out, you need to specify the column name. I want to find from the base salary. So if you run the query, you will get the count. So yeah, so we solved that all the problems. So now the today challenge is, so let's see the salaries table. So select star from the salaries table. So now you need to find out min, max, and count the values in the from the bonus column in the salaries table. So if you know the answer, please write that SQL query in the comment box. If you like this video, please subscribe and like and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.